Why does your skin still age even when you use sunscreen, moisturizers, and expensive serums? Research from Harvard and the British Journal of Dermatology suggests that what you eat may impact your skin's ability to repair itself more than what you apply externally. This video reveals 10 clinically backed foods that protect against sun damage, support collagen, and fight wrinkles from the inside out. Watch to the end to learn how simple changes at the table can do what skincare alone can't. The real enemies of your skin. When it comes to skin aging, most people immediately think of the sun. And yes, ultraviolet, UV, radiation is harmful. It breaks down collagen, causes pigmentation, and increases skin cancer risk. But here's the truth. UV exposure is just the tip of the iceberg. According to the Journal of Investigative Dermatology, intrinsic factors like chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and lifestyle choices play an even deeper role in accelerating skin aging. Let's start with free radicals, unstable molecules that damage DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. They're generated not just by UV light, but also by pollution, poor nutrition, tobacco smoke, and even cooking oils rich in omega-6. Once oxidative stress takes over, your skin's repair mechanisms slow down, leading to thinner skin, more wrinkles, and reduced elasticity. Then there's chronic inflammation, a silent fire that weakens your skin structure over time. According to the National Institutes of Health, prolonged inflammation disrupts collagen synthesis and impairs the immune response, making your skin more vulnerable to environmental assaults. Certain medications can also act as hidden saboteurs. Diuretics, some antibiotics, and chemotherapy agents have phototoxic properties, making your skin more sensitive to light and prone to damage. Even daily painkillers like NSAIDs, when overused, have been associated with reduced skin healing and increased dryness. Diet and stress are two of the most overlooked factors. Diets high in processed foods and sugar spike insulin and pro-inflammatory cytokines, both known to accelerate collagen breakdown. Meanwhile, chronic stress increases cortisol, which reduces your skin's ability to regenerate and retain moisture. Ever notice how your skin looks duller when you're emotionally drained? That's not in your head. That's biology. So if you've been relying solely on sunscreen or skincare, it's time to broaden your defense strategy. The real key lies beneath the surface, starting with what you put into your body. In the next sections, we'll explore 10 scientifically backed foods that can help rebuild and protect your skin from the inside out. Number 1, chocolate. Despite its reputation as a sweet indulgence, dark chocolate, when properly sourced and minimally processed, may provide measurable skin benefits. Clinical research published in the Journal of Nutrition has shown that high flavanol dark chocolate can improve skin hydration, elasticity, and resistance to UV-induced damage. In a 12-week trial, participants consuming flavanol-rich chocolate demonstrated reduced sunburn response and enhanced skin texture. However, most commercially available chocolate contains very low levels of flavanols due to a manufacturing process called alkalization or Dutching. This method improves taste and texture, but significantly depletes antioxidant content. Only chocolate labeled non-alkalized or high in flavanols retains these beneficial compounds. In addition to processing concerns, contamination is an issue. Independent testing by Consumer Lab and others has identified elevated levels of cadmium and lead in several dark chocolate brands. These heavy metals, which accumulate in the body over time, are particularly concerning for older adults. To maximize benefits and minimize risks, it is advisable to select dark chocolate containing at least 70% cacao, clearly labeled as non-alkalized, and preferably from manufacturers that conduct third-party heavy metal testing. When consumed in moderation, such chocolate may support internal skin defenses through its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 2, green tea and matcha. Green tea, particularly matcha, is a concentrated source of epigallocatechin gallate, HCG, a powerful polyphenol known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Scientific studies have demonstrated that EGCG can protect skin cells from UV-induced oxidative stress, reduce DNA damage, and support collagen maintenance. In vitro and animal models suggest that EGCG may also enhance DNA repair mechanisms by stimulating endogenous antioxidant enzymes and reducing inflammatory cytokines. Matcha, which consists of ground whole tea leaves, offers significantly higher levels of catechins compared to standard brewed green tea. However, because the entire leaf is consumed, contamination with heavy metals such as lead and aluminum, often absorbed from the soil, is a documented concern. Reputable health agencies, including Consumer Lab, recommend choosing matcha products that have undergone independent heavy metal testing. To reduce exposure, it is advisable to limit matcha intake to moderate quantities and select teas grown in regions with lower soil contamination. For brewed green tea, discarding the first infusion may lower metal content, while still preserving polyphenol levels. Consistent consumption of high-quality green tea has been associated with improved immune function, reduced skin inflammation, and enhanced photoprotection, making it a practical and accessible component of a skin-supportive diet. Number 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a primary dietary source of lycopene, a carotenoid pigment with strong antioxidant properties. Lycopene has been shown to accumulate in the skin, where it contributes to protection against UV-induced erythema, redness, and oxidative stress. Several clinical studies support this effect. In a randomized controlled trial published in Photochemical and Photobiological Sciences, participants who consumed tomato paste, equivalent to 16 milligrams of lycopene daily, for 12 weeks demonstrated 40% less skin reddening after UV exposure compared to the control group. This suggests that lycopene provides systemic photoprotection by neutralizing free radicals generated by ultraviolet radiation. Importantly, lycopene is more bioavailable when tomatoes are cooked with a small amount of fat, such as olive oil. Heat breaks down cell walls, releasing lycopene and enhancing absorption in the digestive tract. Therefore, tomato-based dishes like sauces, stews, or roasted tomatoes offer superior skin protective benefits compared to raw forms. Regular intake of cooked tomatoes may support collagen integrity and reduce visible signs of photoaging. As part of a balanced diet, lycopene-rich foods offer a safe and practical approach to reinforcing the skin's natural defenses against environmental stressors, particularly sunlight. Number 4. Leafy greens. Dark leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and broccoli sprouts, are rich in nutrients critical to skin health and cellular repair. These vegetables provide high levels of magnesium, folate, lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C, all of which contribute to the protection and maintenance of skin structure. Magnesium plays a key role in over 300 enzymatic reactions, many of which are involved in DNA repair and antioxidant defense. Folate supports healthy cell division and has been linked to reduced risk of DNA strand breaks. Lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids found in green pigments, have been shown to filter high-energy blue light and protect against oxidative stress, both in the eyes and in skin tissues. In a study published in Dermatoendocrinology, increased consumption of green vegetables was associated with reduced skin wrinkling and better hydration among older adults. Additionally, cruciferous greens like kale and broccoli contain glucosinolates, which are converted into sulforaphane, a compound known to enhance cellular detoxification pathways and potentially reduce UV-related skin damage. To maximize nutrient retention, light steaming is preferable to boiling. Regular inclusion of leafy greens supports collagen production, combats inflammation, and enhances the skin's resistance to environmental stressors, making them a foundational element of an anti-aging diet. Number 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are a rich plant-based source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that plays a crucial role in maintaining skin structure and reducing inflammation. While ALA must be converted in the body to EPA and DHA, the active forms found in fish, its anti-inflammatory properties still offer measurable benefits for skin integrity. According to research published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, omega-3s have been shown to enhance skin barrier function, increase moisture retention, and reduce symptoms of conditions like eczema and psoriasis. They also help regulate the production of inflammatory mediators such as prostaglandins, which contribute to collagen breakdown and premature aging. Walnuts also contain vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects skin lipids from oxidative damage. Combined, ELA and vitamin E may help reduce transepidermal water loss, improve skin elasticity, and protect against UV-induced damage. For best results, a small daily serving, about 1 ounce, a handful, is sufficient to deliver skin-supporting benefits. When incorporated into a balanced diet, walnuts contribute to collagen preservation, skin smoothness, and a healthier inflammatory profile, particularly important in older adults experiencing natural declines in skin resilience. Number 6. Blueberries. Blueberries are among the most antioxidant-dense fruits, primarily due to their high levels of anthocyanins, plant compounds responsible for their deep blue color. These polyphenols have been studied for their role in protecting collagen structure, improving circulation, and reducing oxidative stress, all of which contribute to healthier, more resilient skin. Collagen degradation is a key driver of skin aging, especially in postmenopausal women. Oxidative stress from UV exposure, poor diet, and inflammation accelerates the breakdown of collagen fibers, leading to sagging, thinning skin. Research published in Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity indicates that regular intake of anthocyanin-rich fruits like blueberries can reduce oxidative damage and modulate inflammatory pathways that target skin proteins. Blueberries also contain vitamin C, which supports natural collagen synthesis and acts as a cofactor for enzymes involved in tissue repair. Additionally, the fruit's impact on microcirculation may improve nutrient delivery to the skin, enhancing hydration and elasticity over time. Including a half cup of fresh or frozen blueberries daily offers an accessible and low-calorie strategy to support skin health from within. Their wide availability and nutrient density make them a practical, evidence-backed addition to an anti-aging diet. Number 7. Whole grains. Whole grains such as oats, quinoa, brown rice, and barley are important dietary sources of magnesium, a mineral that supports over 300 enzymatic reactions in the human body, including those responsible for DNA repair, collagen synthesis, and antioxidant defense. Magnesium plays a critical role in protecting skin cells from oxidative damage by supporting the function of enzymes like glutathione peroxidase and superoxide dismutase. These enzymes neutralize reactive oxygen species, ROS, which contribute to premature aging and collagen breakdown. A deficiency in magnesium has been associated with increased skin inflammation, delayed wound healing, and reduced skin elasticity. In older adults, magnesium intake tends to decline while oxidative stress increases, creating an imbalance that accelerates skin aging. According to data from a National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, NANS, most older women in the U.S. consume less magnesium than recommended, increasing vulnerability to inflammation-related aging processes. Incorporating 1 to 2 servings of whole grains per day, such as a bowl of oatmeal or a side of quinoa, can support both systemic and skin-specific health outcomes. When consumed regularly, whole grains help bridge the gap between nutrient depletion and the body's need for cellular regeneration, making them a key component of an anti-aging nutrition plan. Number 8. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, particularly red and yellow varieties, are among the richest natural sources of vitamin C, an essential micronutrient for collagen synthesis and skin regeneration. Unlike topical applications, dietary vitamin C supports skin health systemically, reaching the dermis through the bloodstream to stimulate fibroblast activity and promote structural protein formation. Vitamin C acts as a cofactor for the enzymes prolyl and L-lysosyl hydroxylase, both of which are required to stabilize and cross-link collagen fibers. Inadequate intake of this vitamin is associated with decreased collagen density, increased skin fragility, and slower wound healing. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, higher plasma levels of vitamin C were significantly associated with lower rates of skin wrinkling and improved skin appearance in middle-aged and older women. In addition to collagen support, bell peppers contain carotenoids such as beta-carotene and lutein, which provide further antioxidant defense and help neutralize free radicals caused by sun exposure. Consuming half a cup of raw or lightly cooked bell peppers daily can supply more than 100% of the recommended daily vitamin C intake, making them a practical and accessible food for enhancing skin resilience, texture, and tone, particularly during the aging process. Number 9. Red grapes. Red grapes contain resveratrol, a polyphenolic compound concentrated in the skin of the fruit. Resveratrol has been studied extensively for its potential to protect against oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and delay signs of aging, particularly in skin tissue. Its antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals that degrade collagen and elastin, two critical proteins responsible for skin strength and elasticity. In laboratory studies, resveratrol has demonstrated the ability to activate sirtuin pathways, which are involved in cellular repair and longevity. According to research published in Experimental Dermatology, topical and oral resveratrol may protect the skin from UVB-induced damage by enhancing DNA repair mechanisms and reducing inflammatory cytokine expression. Red grapes also provide vitamin C and anthocyanins, which contribute to microvascular health and support collagen stability. These compounds may help improve skin tone, reduce redness, and promote even pigmentation. To obtain skin benefits from resveratrol, consuming a small bunch of fresh red grapes several times per week is recommended. While wine also contains resveratrol, its alcohol content may counteract skin benefits when consumed in excess. For most individuals, whole grapes offer a safer and more nutritionally complete option for supporting youthful, resilient skin through diet. Number 10. Fatty fish or plant omega-3. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. These long-chain polyunsaturated fats have been shown to exert anti-inflammatory effects, reduce transepidermal water loss, and enhance skin barrier function, contributing to smoother, more hydrated skin. Clinical studies, including one published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, have demonstrated that individuals with higher dietary intake of EPA experience greater resistance to UV-induced skin inflammation and DNA damage. Omega-3s also support immune modulation, helping the skin better manage oxidative stress and environmental aggressors. For those following plant-based diets, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts offer alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a precursor to EPA and DHA. However, the body converts ALA to active forms inefficiently, typically less than 10%, making direct sources from fish or microalgae supplements more effective. Aiming for 2 servings of fatty fish per week or a high-quality algae-based omega-3 supplement can help maintain skin elasticity, reduce inflammation, and support collagen integrity. Omega-3s also benefit the nervous and circulatory systems, both of which play a role in skin repair and resilience as the body ages. As the science makes clear, the path to youthful, resilient skin doesn't begin with a jar of cream. It starts in the kitchen. Every cell in the body, including those that form the skin's barrier, respond directly to the nutrients we consume. From the flavonols in dark chocolate, to the omega-3s in fatty fish, to the lycopene in cooked tomatoes, these compounds activate protective pathways, reduce inflammation, and support collagen synthesis, helping skin maintain its elasticity, tone, and glow naturally. While sun exposure, age, and genetics remain important factors, they are not the entire story. Lifestyle, diet, and inflammation are modifiable. That means real change is possible, even in your 50s, 60s, and beyond. As clinical nutrition and dermatology research continues to evolve, one consistent message remains: what you eat profoundly impacts how your skin ages. This doesn't require perfection, just awareness and intention. Replacing processed snacks with antioxidant-rich fruits, swapping refined grains for magnesium-rich whole grains, or adding 1 serving of leafy greens per day can initiate measurable improvement in both appearance and skin function. Remember, skin health is a reflection of internal health. Protecting your skin from the inside out is not only more sustainable, it's also more empowering. Rather than chasing the next miracle cream, invest in what your body actually needs: nutrients, balance, and consistency. Thank you for watching. For more science-backed health strategies and practical food tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.